Hi, my name is Hasan. I'm a member of Mosaic Clubhouse. I became a member in late last year. It was around late November. My problems started in about mid-COVID times, almost 5 years ago or so. My mental illness was diagnosed. So for a while, I wasn't able to work. And I felt like I had no future, or I felt like the days are just running by, and I was drifting along with the days. And at about late last year, I saw Mosaic by chance, because I was staying in a nearby hostel. I saw that, I read the signs on the board at the entrance. I also saw hand note kind of brochure at job center where I had my appointments, regular appointments. And then I decided to pop in and talk to one of the staff. I thought maybe it could work for me. So I came here, and the first person I talked to was Mina. She helped me fill out a form and started coming in around late November, early December. And I talked about my past and my skills and so on, because Mosaic has opportunities for everybody having mental illnesses to do different things. So I was assigned to Business and Administration Unit, BNA unit. I was afraid to touch the keyboards. At Mosaic, I started slowly. I started doing data entry in Business and Administration Unit in BNA, and I saw that the skills I had automatically started to come back, like the muscle memory in your fingers started to come back. I started taking calls at reception and logging in and out the guests at reception again at the door. And that gave me a chance to talk to people, to engage with people, to socialize with people. And that also made me feel better. I felt connected with the members of society again. And then in springtime, they said there are courses on hospitality. Would you be interested in doing that? I said, yeah, fine. I mean, I can do that, because I started doing reception works here, and that gave me a bit confidence to do those kind of things. And I applied for a role as a receptionist. It was at a 5-star hotel in one of the major hotel chains, global hotel chains in London. And I got an interview. On one side, you are excited. On the other side, you think that, it could fail. But I thought I should do it, because if I didn't do that interview, in the next interview, the same feelings, same thoughts would come to my mind and would hold me back. So I said, no matter what the result is, even if it's negative, just go and do it to overcome that fear. So I went there. I had a 45-minute long interview, and it went well. And after that, I got a job offer the following day. And I took the job offer. So in about mid-September, I started working as night receptionist. First couple of weeks was a daytime training, but since the first week of October, I work as night receptionist. And sometimes I have fears. Sometimes I have worries that I could fall back and I could fail, but I stay in touch with my GP and with my therapist. I say that I had a positive momentum in the last couple of months, thanks to Mosaic, thanks to things I did in Mosaic that has been a catalyst for me.